Good evening. My name is Tiffany Polk. This is week 5 of the respiratory system, and I will be recording myself measuring respiratory volumes at rest and during exercise. I'm supposed to do 3 trials, but in this video, you'll be seeing one trial of me breathing, inhaling, and exhaling for 30 seconds, and then you'll see me breathe into a balloon with one breath and measuring how big that balloon is in centimeters. So I'm going to begin with reading the first step. Step 1 is sit quietly. Use the stopwatch to measure 30 seconds and count the number of times you breathe in 30 seconds. Once complete cycle of inhaling and exhaling is considered one breath. So I have on my laptop, I have my stopwatch, and I am going to start now with my breathing. All right. So in 30 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in 30 seconds, I was able to inhale and exhale 15 breaths. Now, like I said, you are to record the data on your lab report. You're supposed to repeat the steps 2 additional times, and then you calculate the average, and then you multiply the average by 2. Then now I have my balloon. The instructions is to stretch a balloon several times and blow it once or twice to near its full capacity without breaking it in order to make it flexible before beginning the next part of the experiment. So I'm stretching the balloon several times. Alright, the next step is to blow into the balloon a couple of times. So I'm going to blow into the balloon once or twice. I'm going to do it one more time. Alright. Now I'm about to take a regular breath. I'm going to inhale, exhale normally. Now I'm going to breathe into this balloon with one breath. And then towards the ending of your breath, you're to put in some force. Alright. Alright. So after breathing normal, air amount into the balloon, squeeze the balloon neck, twist it several times to prevent the air from leaking, and hold it tight so that the air does not escape. While still holding onto the neck of the balloon with one hand, hold the end of the flexible measuring tape with centimeters side up, and wrap it around the balloon at its widest point. Because the balloon is egg-shaped, use slight pressure on a flat surface to get the balloon to a more spherical shape, using the measuring tape to measure the balloon circumference. So here's my balloon. And here is my centimeter side. So I'm going to take the balloon. I'm going to put it right here. And I am going to, with one hand, I'm going to hold the top. Having a little bit of difficulties doing this. So as you can see, right here, so my balloon is about 46.5 centimeters wide. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this around. So as you can see, right here, it's 46.5, almost 47 centimeters. So now I'm going to go ahead and deflate my balloon. After you've blown it, taken your measurements, you release the neck of the balloon so the air leaves the balloon. And you record the circumference measurement in data table 2 of your lab assistant as a circumference of the balloon on table 1. And that concludes my video and the demonstration of measuring respiratory values at rest and during exhaling. Thank you and have a good evening.